Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Before we dive into the incredible parish of Portland, Jamaica, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell. As we drive towards our Airbnb, you'll witness the authentic charm of Portland's countryside, with its lush landscapes and unique local culture. Don't be fooled by the challenges of the roads, they're the pathway to discovering some of Jamaica's most stunning sights and places to stay. Now, let's talk about this hidden gem. Portland, Jamaica, often remains in the shadows compared to popular spots like Ocho Rios, Negril, and Montego Bay, but let me tell you, it's time to change that perception. Join me as I unveil some of the most captivating places in Portland that makes it an absolute must place to visit. If you're up for discovering the lesser-known side of the island, get ready for the ultimate drive to experiencing Port Antonio, Portland. Situated gracefully on the island's eastern frontier, Portland draws you into a journey spanning around 2.5 hours from Kingston. If you're considering taking the drive yourself, I can't stress enough the importance of soaking in the ample daylight, as the roads cloak themselves in pitch darkness once the sun dips below the horizon. If you're driving from Kingston to Portland, you're presented with a choice of two distinct routes. The first option unveils the coastline's beauty as it meanders through the enchanting landscapes of St. Thomas. On the other hand, the second path winds its way through the idyllic scenery of St. Mary's Parish, where you can find Castleton Botanical Gardens, a must place to visit if you're ever in the area. There's plenty of things to do and see here in Portland, from the mouth-watering food to the parish's pristine beaches, beckoning you with its subtle waves to come in for a swim. Frenchman's Cove Beach in Portland is a serene paradise known for its crystal-clear turquoise waters, soft white sand, and lush green cliffs. The unique feature of a river meeting the sea creates a refreshing blend of freshwater and saltwater. Perfect for swimming, with its tranquil atmosphere and natural beauty, it's an idyllic escape to relax, surrounded by tropical vegetation and a peaceful ambience. The Blue Hole is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Nestled amidst lush rainforests, this enchanting natural pool is a paradise of vibrant blue waters. Surrounded by picturesque waterfalls, rugged rocks, and tropical greenery. Dive into the refreshing azure waters, swing on ropes, and explore the stunning natural beauty of this off-the-beaten-path destination. It's a must-visit for those seeking an unforgettable and invigorating Jamaican adventure. Embark on a captivating journey by experiencing rafting on the Rio Grande in Portland. Drift along the serene river on a bamboo raft guided by skilled local raft captains. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking surroundings of lush rainforests, tranquil waters, and the gentle rhythm of nature. As you glide along, take in the majestic views, learn about the area's history, and savor the tranquil ambience. It's an authentic and leisurely way to connect with Jamaica's natural beauty. Winifred Beach, another hidden paradise waiting to be explored. This off-the-beaten-path gem boasts soft golden sand, framed by lush vegetation and swaying palm trees. Unlike the more crowded beaches, Winifred offers a peaceful escape, ideal for relaxation and swimming in the clear turquoise waters. What sets it apart is its local charm. It's a favorite among both residents and visitors seeking an authentic Jamaican beach experience. With a laid-back vibe and stunning natural beauty, Winifred Beach is a must-visit destination for those looking to unwind in a truly unique and tranquil setting. Here are my top 10 places to eat if you're staying in Portland. Boston Jerk Center. Known for its delicious Jamaican jerk dishes, this open-air center offers a variety of jerk chicken, pork, and seafood. It's a must-visit for those seeking authentic Jamaican flavors. Belinda's Riverside Restaurant. This restaurant not only offers great food but also a lovely view of the river. They serve Jamaican and international cuisine, with a focus on seafood. Bibabip's Bar and Grill. Located on Long Bay Beach, this spot is known for its laid-back atmosphere and tasty seafood dishes. It's a great place to enjoy beachfront dining. We Yard and a Banana. With its lively and vibrant atmosphere, We Yard and a Banana offers a taste of local flavors with a modern twist. It's a popular spot known for its Jamaican fusion dishes and inviting ambience. Bush Bar at G-Jam. This upscale restaurant offers a fusion of Caribbean and international cuisine. The stunning ocean views and chic ambience make it a great spot for a special evening. Trident Hotel Restaurant. Another upscale option, this restaurant offers a refined dining experience with a focus on local ingredients and flavors. Soldier Camp Bar and Grill. This casual spot offers a mix of Jamaican and international dishes, often with a creative twist. It's known for its friendly atmosphere. D-Hip Strip Ultra Lounge. This stylish lounge offers a mix of Jamaican and international cuisine in a trendy setting. It's a great spot to unwind and enjoy the nightlife. Coastline Bliss. This spot offers a delightful taste of local Jamaican flavors with a focus on fresh seafood and traditional dishes. The inviting ambience and ocean views make it a perfect place to savor authentic cuisine while enjoying the ocean air. KFC on West Street. For a taste of familiar fast food fare, the KFC on West Street provides a convenient option. Enjoy your favorite KFC offerings in the heart of Portland. Here are some of the top places to stay in Portland. AirBnB. With numerous AirBnB options available, you can find accommodations that suit your preferences and budget. From charming cottages to modern apartments, AirBnB offers a range of choices for a personalized stay. Gideon Hotel. Nestled in the lush surroundings of Port Antonio, Gideon Hotel offers a luxurious and artistic retreat. Known for its exclusive ambience and recording studio, this boutique hotel promises a blend of tranquility and creativity. The Trident Hotel. A lavish escape on the shores of the Caribbean Sea, the Trident Hotel exudes elegance and comfort. This luxury resort provides stunning views, upscale amenities, and a perfect blend of relaxation and sophistication. The Fan Villa. Offering a cozy and intimate setting, the Fan Villa is a charming bed and breakfast that provides a welcoming atmosphere. Located close to attractions like Frenchman's Cove, it's an excellent choice for a relaxed stay. Great Huts Resort. A popular choice among travelers seeking a unique experience, Great Huts Resort offers an eco-friendly and rustic retreat. Set on a cliffside with ocean views, this resort provides an alternative and adventurous stay.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the rain, all things are burning up. Bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in it, but life, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners, we keep pushing more and more. Thunder. But